Hello, IT? Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Hello, IT. Yeah, have you tried turning it off and on again?
Hello, IT?
Something's wrong with my computer.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
No. Oh dear, thanks.
Hello, IT? Have you tried turning it off and on again?
All jokes aside, when was the last time you rebooted your computer? Many business owners and employees fall into the habit of just putting their PC to sleep instead of fully rebooting it. While this might seem like a time saver, skipping regular reboots can lead to slower performance and other avoidable issues. Let's dive into why rebooting your computer is more than just a quick fix. It's essential for keeping your system running smoothly and efficiently. Hello, everyone. I'm Michael Knett. I'm CEO and founder of iTernal Networks. And here at iTernal Networks, we believe in empowering businesses and their owners and employees with the knowledge that they need to stay secure and to succeed. So every Friday, I go live on all of our social pages at 1 p.m. Pacific time to discuss different cybersecurity and technology topics to help empower you to stay safe and secure out there. These live streams aim to help small business owners and IT users in general to feel more confident in their knowledge of business technology and cybersecurity. At iTernal Networks, we're dedicated to creating safe and secure environments for people to do what they love, and staying educated is a big part of our efforts for that. At the end of the live stream, I will be answering questions from the audience. So if you have any questions as I go, please throw them in the comments. I will get to those at the end. So now on to today's topic. Hopefully you enjoyed that little intro video. It's one of my favorite TV shows. It's from BBC, the IT Crowd. There's some great stuff on there, especially if you've dealt with IT. If you've ever spoken to your IT support team, you've probably heard exactly what he said on the video over and over, right? Did you turn it off and on? Rebooting your computer, it really is more than just turning it off and on again. You may wonder, well, why does restarting the computer lead to better performance? Restarting is a process that resets your system to keep it performing at its best. In fact, if you've ever shut down your computer because you're having problems and then turned it back on and you're still having problems, the reason for that is because shutting down your computer doesn't give you the same benefits as restarting the computer. Shutting down a Windows 11 computer saves some of the information from RAM into storage to allow it to start up faster and save time, which sounds great. However, sometimes poor performance will continue after shutting down and starting up again as a result. So let's take a look at the top reasons why you should make restarting your computer a regular habit, not just shutting it down when you're done and then turning it back on. First of all, let's talk about RAM. You may hear what RAM is, right? When RAM is, it's called random access memory. And when RAM gets used up, it can cause problems. It gets used up when you run programs or anything that is operating on your computer, right? So the operating system, applications that you open, all of these things that are open and running use some of the RAM. And over time, your RAM can become cluttered, leading to slowdowns. Rebooting clears the RAM. It completely flushes everything that's in the RAM, stops any unnecessary processes from running, and gives your system a fresh start. If you're experiencing sluggish program startups or slow loading web pages, it could be a sign that your memory is maxed out. This is one of those situations where a shutdown is not going to suffice and a restart is required. All right, next, restarting your computer can help resolve software glitches. If you've ever gotten frustrated when a menu won't pop up or a search bar stops working or something's just not responding properly, something's glitching, that can be caused by minor bugs in the application's code or temporary conflicts with other applications. Restarting your computer refreshes the software environment and can help eliminate those temporary issues and save you time troubleshooting. Restarting your computer can also help fix connection problems, such as dropped Wi-Fi signals or Bluetooth issues. those are common after long periods without restarts. Instead of rebooting your modem or router, you could try restarting your computer first. In many cases, it's the quickest fix and gets you back online faster. And the reason is because it completely flushes out all of those processes that make networking function and starts them over brand new on the restart, which can then speed things up for you. Restarting your computer can also help prevent memory leaks. Memory leaks happen when programs don't properly release memory. So we talked about RAM, right? So this is similar to that. Some applications over time will slow down your system because they use more and more and more and more of that RAM or that memory. And so over time, they're using almost all of it. A reboot resets everything, flushes out those memory leaks, and it makes sure that your computer operates at its peak efficiency. You may think, well, I don't have time to restart. Here's the thing. Restarting regularly can help save you time in the long run. Small delays, like waiting for a program to load, can really add up. Rebooting regularly or weekly can eliminate these inefficiencies and save you time in the long run. In fact, just spending a few minutes rebooting can prevent almost 2 hours of lost productivity each week. All right, this is another one that's important to me because it's talking about security. If you restart regularly, that helps your computer to stay secure, and here's why. Certain application and operating system updates require reboots to finish updating because part of them are running. They're in operation on your computer and they can't finish updating and fixing those things without restarting and clearing them out. These application and system updates improve performance, fix bugs, and patch security vulnerabilities. So regular restarts can help prevent bigger issues down the road by keeping your system up to date and secure. And this one's obvious. I've kind of hinted at this throughout all of these other ones. If your computer's running slower than usual, a reboot is often the fastest way to give it an instant performance boost. It clears out the RAM, it removes temporary files and other things that are cluttering it up, and resets all of the processes and applications that are running, refreshing your system so that it can handle your daily tasks without any delay. Make rebooting or restarting your computer, whichever lingo you prefer, part of your weekly routine. And by doing that, you can keep your system running more smooth, save you time, and save you some frustration. If you need help finding any other technical solutions that can improve your company's bottom line through efficiencies, through security, through other things, we're here to help. I'd love to chat with you about anything technology or cybersecurity related. It's exactly why I got into business. We'll add a link in the chat where you can schedule a one-on-one with me to get any of your questions answered. Let me check and see if there's any questions from our live audience real quick. Oh, Mike Terry. Yeah, thanks for your, I'll definitely reach out to you. Mike Terry on LinkedIn, just glad you're watching. Hopefully this is helpful for you. I'll message you one-on-one. Not really a direct question, but glad you're watching and hopefully you get some value out of this. Since I don't see any questions from our live audience, here's some questions that in preparing for this and talking with my team came up. Because this is asked to us from time to time from our clients. How often should I reboot my computer if I'm running resource-heavy software? So if you're running resource-heavy software, this could be like graphics software, right? If you're in design, if you're in engineering, AutoCAD, that type of stuff, or any type of program that uses a lot of system resources like memory, RAM, I would suggest restarting, if not daily, every couple of days. Right, because those resource-heavy software, opening and closing and using those, that can lead to more memory leaks, high memory RAM usage. And so restarting more than weekly would probably help you to be more effective and more efficient. All right, well, I don't have any other questions from our live audience. So thank you for joining us today. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any comment on questions or thoughts that you have. Your feedback really helps us to create content that's valuable to you and to your organization. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. If you're watching on YouTube, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Also, we've recently added this. If you'd like a transcript of this video for sharing with others or for internal references, we'll post a link to where you can get that transcript in the comments and the descriptions below. Remember, knowledge is power. We're here to help you navigate the world of technology and cybersecurity safely and efficiently. If you need any further assistance or have any other questions, please reach out to us. You can DM me on any of the social or visit us on our website at itnet.works. Hopefully your year's starting out wonderful, and we'll see you next week. Thanks.